Welcome everybody. Namaste. Welcome Pedro. So today we're going to do a really fun 10-minute little exercise to stretch all our different parts of our body, create a little bit of heat, and then we'll do a little meditation at the end, quieten our mind. Okay, so let's do the Om as usual. Hands at the center of your chest. Close the eyes. Imagine you're everywhere. Deep inhale. May all beings be happy and free, and may all beings enjoy this practice through our senses. So, opening the eyes. So let's begin today. Bring the feet hips distance apart. Bring your hands on your hips. So you're going to go like this. Okay, stick your tongue out, cross your eyes, let it go. All right? So don't be shy. So 5 times. 1, 2, 3, go. Ha! 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 All right, for the next, come to the top of your mat, chair pose. So remember, you have variations. You can do the chair pose with the feet together, or you can bring the feet as wide as your mat. You can bring the arms up. They can be apart or they can be together. And slowly imagine you're sitting down into a chair, looking up, smiling's good. Those thighs are burning. Pull the lower back in. And come back up. All right, let's come back to the center. 5 more. Lion breaths with the squat. Hands on your hips. 1, 2, 3. Ha! 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 Last one. Ha! Good. Back to the center. No time for thinking. Chair pose. 1 more time. Either feet together or wide. Arms come up. Sit down. Keep looking up. Smiling. And come back up. Great job, everybody. All right. Bring your feet as wide as the mat. This time, squatting pose. Elbows inside your knees and thighs. Sit down. Bring the hands to the center of your chest. Looking up. You should feel nice and warm now. Imagine you can stay here for a while. Hands come in front. Bring your feet back, come into a plank. Stay here, strong. Pull into the abdomen, looking up. Work on those shoulders. Pedro's doing good. 3 more breaths. Bring your knees down. Keep the arms out in front. Sit back on your heels. Extended child's pose. Now lift your hips. You can grab the corners of your mat or bring the hands out in front. Slowly straighten your legs. Remember, you can bring the feet as wide as the mat. Downward facing dog. Start to move the head down. Warm up those shoulders. If you feel more comfortable, bring the feet closer together. Remember, as you come down, you can bend the knees, lift the hips, and then try and straighten the legs. But keep trying to bring your head down. So you don't want to be here. Okay, keep pushing back. Very good. Now, added challenge. Come forward. Bring the hips towards your wrists. See if you can keep the thighs off the mat. Look up. You can keep your toes curled. And then push back. Downward facing dog again. Go a little bit deeper. And again, bring the shoulders over your wrists. Bring the hips towards your wrists. Look up. Stretch. Roll those shoulders back. Keep rolling those hips forward. And push back. Downward facing dog. 1 more time. Go a little bit deeper this time. Last one. Come forward. Hips towards the wrists. push up, roll the shoulders back. And push back, downward facing dog. And then come onto your knees and sit back on your heels, relax in child's pose. All right, come back onto your abdominal. Bring your hands underneath your armpits so you can stay here. Or if this is too much, remember, you can always grab the corners of your mat, bring the head in line with your mat. Cobra pose. So coming up together to a count of 8. Head first. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remember, cobra has one tail. Try and keep the feet together. And down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hands, nice little pillow. Rest the forehead there. Switch everything off. No thinking. Hands either grabbing the corners of your mat or underneath your armpits. Come up again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remember, you don't want to be here. Roll the shoulders back. You can always bend the elbows a little bit more. So find a position that's comfortable. And down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No thinking. Rolling onto your back. Bend the knees. Bring the feet towards your buttocks. Hands by your side. Push into your hands. Lift the hips. Bring the chin to your chest. Roll onto the top of your shoulders. You can do a support bridge. Bring the hands underneath. Any variation. Really turn the thighs in. Engage. Hold. And come back down. Bring the knees to your chest. Gently massage your lower back. Last time with the variation, bring your feet down, hands by your side, push the hips up, go a little bit deeper this time. If you have the support bridge, hands underneath your hips, you're pushing into your elbows, push into your left foot, bring the right leg up, point the toes to the ceiling, straight right leg. And bring the right leg down, push into your right foot, bring the left leg up, point your toes to the ceiling. See if you can straighten the leg. And release down. And break. Coming down. Bring the knees to your chest. Last one now. You may do the bridge. For those who want a little bit more, bring the hands like 2 cups by your ears. Take a half inhale. Bring the head between your shoulders. Turn the hands. Push up. Upward facing bow, the body's wide open. So go ahead. Either like Pedro or last one like me. And break the pose coming down. Come up to a sitting. Legs in front without any thinking. Left hand on the outside of your right shin. Lift the back. Look over your right shoulder. And break. Go to the other side. And break. Now lie back on your mat. Bend your knees. Lift your hips, scoot them to the right. Bring the knees down to the left. So you can use your left hand to bring your right knee and thigh onto your left. The arms can be like a letter T or a cactus. If it's available, turn your head to the right. Just let everything stop. Handbrake, come back to the center. Lift the hips, scoot them to the left. Right knee and thigh comes down, and the left knee and thigh on top. Remember, you can have cactus arms, or they can be straight out. If it's available, turn your head to the left. And then everything stops. Now just lie back on the mat. For the next minute, just switch everything off like you fainted. Just lie back, heavy, loose. Relax. Let everything go. Now watch the body coming back to a comfortable sitting position. So no rush, just come back, sitting nice and tall, any seated position you like. Hands are locked in Jnana Mudra. Just breathing normally as you inhale the sound that's already in the breath, the so, and as you exhale, exhaling hum. So go ahead, just imagine it there. No need to do it verbally. So, hum. So, hum. So, hum. So, hum. Keep noticing that sound that's already in the breath. The mantra, I am you, you are me. I am that, that I am. You're connecting now with your oneness. In that oneness, your inner happiness, absolute bliss, never changing. If your mind wanders, bring it back. Notice that sound in the breath. So, hum. So, hum. Be compassionate to all beings. Thank you for your practice today. Thank you, Pedro.